Hey peeps, it's Julian here from Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. We're on question 3.5 from the 2017 IEB Maths Lit Paper 2. This question deals with converting degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit and finding the difference in temperature. So it says, Helena's neighbor, Sietaba, complains that her pool water is too cold to swim in. The temperature of Sietaba's pool water is currently 19 degrees Celsius, and she says she'll only swim if the temperature of the water is 20 degrees Celsius. Calculate the temperature change, what the temperature change would be in degrees Fahrenheit. And then they've given us the formula to convert degrees Celsius into degrees Fahrenheit. So for this question, we first need to convert these two values, these 2 degrees that they've given us. So the 19 degrees Celsius into degrees Fahrenheit, and then we need to convert the 25 degrees Celsius into Fahrenheit. So the 19 degrees Celsius, so to do this, they say we must take the number, multiply it by 9, and then divide by 5, then add 32. So as I said, you take your 19, multiply that by 9, we take this and we divide it by 5, and then of course we add 32. So we know that 19 multiplied by 9 will give us 171, and this needs to be divided by 9, and then we can just put brackets there, and then we need to add 32. So this is going to be, so 171 divided by 5 into your calculators is 34,2, and then we need to add 32. So in your calculators, this comes to a total of 66,2 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, and then we need to do the same thing for the 25 degree, so 25 degrees Celsius. So again, we need to take that formula, so it's 25 multiplied by 9 divided by 5 plus 32, and this is going to equal, in your calculators, 25 times by 9 is 225, and this needs to be divided by 5. So again, we do brackets around that, plus 32. So this is going to equal 45 plus 32, and you put that in your calculator, and this equals 77 degrees Fahrenheit. And then they want us to find what the difference, the change in degrees Fahrenheit needs to be. So therefore your difference is the 77 degrees Fahrenheit minus your 66,2 degrees Fahrenheit. Put this into your calculator, and that you get a final answer of 10.8 degrees Fahrenheit. And that will give you your 5 marks for this question. Before I go, I just want to give a special thanks to our epic sponsors for making this video possible. Please read more about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorials. Remember, if you can't find the answer to your question, you can send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. And until next time, stay